Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Following that, click on Vibration right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone, and tap on Vibration section under Theme 1 and Theme 2. Now you can select the best vibration pattern for chosen theme card by tapping on one of the available ones, or disable it completely by tapping on None. When you finished, select the back button and do exactly the same for your messages and notifications. Finally, scroll all the way down, tap on More Settings, and click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. Last but not least, click on this switcher next to System Haptics to switch on or off vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!